Some people find so much joy from cooking and baking and being domestic. I find it to be irritating. I don't want to clean, I don't want to cook, I just want to eat it. But today, I've decided to show you that I'm capable, to prove to you that I have the skills. And today I'm going to be making a very difficult meal while I drink wine. First of all, I'm using this fancy glass from Target to really absorb the notes. For the fine vintage we'll be sampling tonight is a classic 2016 Pinot Noir. There we go. And you have to watch it boil, wait for it to boil. In the meantime, you get to talk to me. So have you figured out what I'm cooking yet? If you guess before the end of this video, you win a prize. And the prize is a pat on the back from yourself. You should be patting yourself on the back on a regular basis anyway, because you're awesome. Unless you are Jennifer from 3rd grade who made fun of me for eating a donut very quickly. If you are Jennifer from 3rd grade, then don't pat yourself on the back. The important part about this part of cooking is to get your feelings into it. And look at my shirt, Art Plus Brewing. And guess what I do? Art. Do you know what I wish for my birthday? Less anxiety. Actually, guys, while we're waiting on that to boil, because you know a watched pot never boils. You may not have heard that phrase before. It's a cooking insider's tip. I'm gonna go down to my creepy basement where someone may have been murdered at one point and flip my laundry over. I used to be like, you know what? Get out, cat, get out of here. You're not allowed in the basement. Get out of here. Dumbo. It's boiling. Hold on, it's boiling. My pot is boiling. Look at it go. Look at it go. Tortellini time. Ah, see, this is hard. 7 minutes on the clock. It's definitely bubbling over, but I'm just gonna ignore it. What Italian dinner is complete without a frozen, cheesy baguette? We're gonna be real Italian here. I'm no fool. I wasn't born yesterday. I'm pretty strong too. It's time. It's time. This could go bad, you guys. Got a couple little stragglers. Sometimes this is hard, you know? Sometimes even basic things are hard. Sometimes you just gotta do what you can do. There you go. I made a freaking meal. It's so good, and I love it. There's someone screaming over there really loud. Is it weird though that... Shut up. Stop screaming at each other. People, work out your problems with normal voices.